Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin with safety and prep before changing the starter on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Park the vehicle on a level surface and apply both parking brake and wheel chocks. Wear safety glasses and gloves for protection during the job. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and accidental cranking. Use a multimeter to confirm the battery resting voltage reads about 12.6 volts before proceeding with any electrical disconnections. Raise the Jeep safely using jack stands and a jack rated for the vehicle weight. Remove the belly pan and splash shields to expose the starter under the passenger side. Locate the starter near the bell housing at the transmission bell. Unplug the main electrical connector and the smaller solenoid wire using a 13 mm or 15 mm wrench as needed. Support the starter with one hand and remove the two mounting bolts. Then lower the starter carefully out of the engine compartment. Install the new starter by positioning it into the bell housing and lining bolt holes. Start the two starter mounting bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading, then tighten them evenly with a ratchet. Reconnect the solenoid wire and main electrical connector, ensuring tight, clean connections without damaging terminals. Reinstall the splash shields and belly pan, lower the vehicle carefully, and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, verify cranking and starter function with a battery read.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.